everyone, Vincenzo here with a new UK tutorial. This week, let's learn one of the most famous songs by Rihanna, Diamonds. This song is really simple and you only need 3 chords to play it. However, if you want to challenge yourself, I will show you a more advanced strumming pattern and some alternative chord shapes that you can use for this song. The 3 chords that you need are G, B minor, and A. Having said that, let's start working on the verse. But before doing that, let me remind you to subscribe to the channel. I don't like to say these things, but it will really help me if you do, and it doesn't cost you anything. The strumming pattern for the verse goes like this: 3, 4, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Let's play it one more time. 3, 4, down, down, up, down, down. This strumming pattern is very versatile, so learn it well as it can be used in many songs. This is the chord progression for the verse, which is used for the entire song. Let's play it using the strumming pattern you've just learned. 3, 4, G, B minor, G, B minor, A. Okay, let's see what comes next. So potentially you are already done with the song. As I said, the same chord progression is used all the time. But as you can imagine, it's quite boring to play the same thing for the entire song. And if you follow me, you know that it's better to use different strumming patterns for different sections of a song. This is even more important in a song like this that uses the same chords all the time. But before showing you the strumming pattern for the chorus, let me tell you about a variation that you can do in the chord progression. You can add a B minor in the last measure. This means you're gonna be playing 2 chords within one strumming pattern. And it will go like this: 3, 4, A, B minor. I was changing to B minor on the first upstroke. You don't necessarily have to play this extra chord all the time. In fact, it's quite nice if you add it from time to time. Now let's work on the strumming pattern for the chorus. For this one, I want to show you something a bit groovier. It goes like this: 3, 4, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. One more time: 3, 4, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Notice how I stop the sound after the second upstroke. This is because of the rest, the pause that you have in the strumming pattern. Let me show you how to do it. For G, I stop the sound using the pinky, like this. For A, I do the same, but of course I use the ring finger as well. You see? For B minor, all you have to do is lift up the fingers of the left hand, like this. You're almost ready to play the chorus, but before doing that, let me show you some alternative chord shapes that you can use. Changing chord shapes makes it more interesting, and also these chord shapes make it easier to stop the sound of each chord during the strumming pattern. So for G, it's almost the same, but I'm not playing the 4th string. In fact, this string is muted, and I'm using the thumb to mute it. You see? For A, you use the same shape as G, 2 frets down, and the 4th string is muted. For B minor, I use this shape, and again the 4th string is muted. When you're gonna play the strumming pattern, to respect the rest that you have in it, simply lift up the fingers of the left hand for all the chords, as you did before for B minor. Now let's play the chorus using these alternative chord shapes. 3, 4, G, B minor, A, G, B minor, A. You see, with these chord shapes, the strumming pattern worked very well. Okay, now you know two ways of playing this song. My suggestion is to mix them up and use the easy strumming pattern for the verse and the groovier one for the chorus. For the intro of the song, simply strum each chord once, like this. 3, 4, G, 2, 3, 4, B minor, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, 3, 4, A, 2, B minor, 4. Super easy. Now let's have a play along where I'm gonna be playing the verse and the chorus, and then you can decide how to arrange your own cover of Diamonds. In the verse, I will be playing the extra B minor. For the chorus instead, I will be using the alternative chord shapes, but I won't be playing the extra B minor. The tempo will be 92 BPM. Having said that, get ready, you're about to start playing. The aim of this tutorial was to give you an overview of Diamonds by Rihanna, so that you can put together your own cover of it. On my Patreon page, you can find the chord chart and the backing tracks that you need for practicing this. You have 3 backing tracks, one at the original tempo, one slower, and another one even slower. And by the way, don't forget that if you learned something from this video and you would like to say thank you, you can buy me a coffee, link in the description. That's all for now. Let me know in the comments if you managed to learn this song. And if you want to take your playing to the next level, have a look at my free course here on YouTube and download my free 8-step roadmap, link in the description, that will tell you the exact process to follow to learn the ukulele. Moreover, check out the other links in the description to learn more about the types of classes that I got available at the moment. Having said that, thank you very much for watching and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week. Ciao!